G'day, I'm Graham, welcome back to the channel. Today I've received a package, quite a reasonable size one. This is from my son who's been doing some 3D printing for me. So we'll open this envelope and see exactly what he's made. Just as an aside, this was only posted yesterday from Sydney and it arrived here in Canberra and was delivered mid-morning this morning. So that's fairly fast sort of service, that's for sure. Okay, well, we'll open it up and see what it contains. I know I'd given him a few orders of bits and pieces to print for me, so we'll see what he managed to get done. I'll open this one first. It's a small separate parcel, so I don't know what this one is, but right, we have a pair of driver stations, hand controller holders, red and green, which are the colours of the lanes. So yeah, we'll give that a try and see how it fits with the Scalextric wireless controllers. And hopefully that'll be right without too much modification to get them to work. Excellent. Now, they're great. That's going to be something that we really needed around here. Now this one contains, holy dooly, this contains a truckload of bits and pieces. Right, that's the contents of the box. That's some paper, we'll get the paper out of the way. Right, first off, we've got two, hopefully 132 scale sidewinder motor mounts. That's great. They might be, yeah, we'll have to check those out and see how they go. They might have, the scale may not have worked properly, but we'll check that and go from there. What else have we got in here that's a bit interesting? A bag full of spoilers, courtesy of the Das Slotcar box files that he put up on his site, on his YouTube video. So they've been printed and they look good, excellent. I need those. I need one for a project I'm building, and also I need them for broken mounts on Aston Martins and things, which is what they're designed for, but I think they'll fit a few others as well. So that's great. I'll put those aside. Sure, what are these? Oh, those are the stairs. Now, what we have here is a 3D printed gantry. Spares, ignore me, eh? All right, spares, ignore me. That sounds good. Oh, he's labelled all these as to what they're supposed to be. So that's good. That'll make it easier for me. And he's given me two different widths, he tells me, for across the track. So we'll work that out and see which is the better of the two. For this particular track, I'm not sure which will go. Stair supports, the stair rails. Sure, great, excellent. Yeah, this is, wow, we have got some stuff here. We've got some work to be done. I've got to clean these up though. The finish looks quite good. I'm actually quite impressed with that. So we'll, and they're short. They go with the short ones, and I presume somewhere, oh, these go with the long one. Right, okay. So we'll work out which one's which and how to put them on. That didn't get a label, but that's a bit of fencing somewhere. And that's, oh, they're the short ones I would suggest, and that's the long ones again. Right, okay, this is going to be a job and a half to work all this out. Yeah, excellent. All right, looks like I've got a project for the next few weeks until I go away. We're only going for a short break the first trip, and then come back for a month or so, and then we'll be gone for a bit longer. But anyway, that's excellent. I think these have probably turned out to be a little on the small side, but they may not be. We'll just have to have a look and see. It may fit. I'll try a motor in that and see. That's what we'll do. We'll get a motor and see if it fits. Let's there we go. Well, it might be about right. Let's have a go. See. This is a 20k scale electric motor, so we'll just see if he'll go in there. Not in that one, but this one. Well, that one's got around it. I don't know. Yep, look at that. Clips straight in. So that's beautiful. There's two projects I've got that they'll be handy for. That's going to be excellent. Yeah, two builds that are coming up. And, yep, exactly what I wanted. Beautiful. Excellent. All right. Okay, well, we'll just stop that there for now, and I'll pack this lot up and get organised to start building some of these things. Wow.